Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican coleslaw salad. First, finely shred 1 small head of green cabbage and 2 medium carrots. Next, prepare your dressing ingredients: 1/4 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Don't forget a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These simple ingredients are key to authentic flavor. Achieving the perfect texture is crucial for Jamaican coleslaw. Use a sharp knife or a food processor to finely shred your cabbage and carrots. Aim for thin, uniform strips. Once shredded, place all the vegetables into a large mixing bowl. Make sure they are relatively dry. Excess moisture can dilute your dressing and make the coleslaw watery. This step ensures a crisp and flavorful result. Now, let's create that signature creamy dressing. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar until completely smooth. Stir in your pinch of salt and black pepper. Taste the dressing and adjust the sweetness or tanginess as needed. This balance of flavors is what makes Jamaican coleslaw so unique and delicious. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Pour the prepared creamy dressing over your shredded cabbage and carrots in the large mixing bowl. Using a large spoon or tongs, gently toss the mixture until all the vegetables are thoroughly coated with the dressing. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, enhancing the overall taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.